How to change Facebook password. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile in the lower right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Once you're here, you can see the Meta Account Center. Click See More. Then select Password and Security in the account settings. Now in Login and Recovery, you can see the Change Password option. Now choose the account that you will change your password on. Now type in the current password, the new password that you would like, and retype the new password again. And once you are done, just click Change Password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.